Hi, I'm Alicia.
Hi, my name is Alice.
My name is Victor Valdez.
Crystal Scott.
Irene Sanchez.
Peter and Tiamwa.
I'm a retail manager turned aspiring computer programmer. I've been trying to do coding for a while now, but the problem I kept facing was that other coding bootcamps were just too expensive.
I was able to identify some gaps between my skills and the skills that I would need to move my career path forward and to be impactful within my organization and my community. This is how I came across Code Dream.
I'm scrolling through LinkedIn and I see a post on my feed about this organization called Code the Dream.
I first got interested in the tech field because I was told not to pursue it because it's for men, it's not for me. And if I'm really interested, I can just marry one in the field. And I continued pursuing my career in the tech field because I love problem solving and making things easier.
Being in Code the Dream has given me the opportunity to have a real focus within a community, real structure, and then being around a group of people to work with who are having the same challenges.
You could always reach out to the mentors or anybody in the community, and they'll always answer with a welcoming response.
Especially if you're an immigrant woman like me, we need more of your perspectives in the tech field.
I like the diversity.
Being in such a diverse community, just so nurturing.
Now I'm halfway through my second course and I'm a lot more confident in my transition to a career in tech.
I was fortunate enough by the grace of God to get into a Ruby on Rails class in March of 2021. The class ended July of 2021, and not long after that, I got my first job as a software developer.
So for those considering enrolling in Code the Dream, I would ask them if they had a love of learning and are curious about technology.
You know, my message to other folks, especially those within marginalized communities who feel stuck or want to make a career change but don't really know how. If you're serious and you're motivated, I would highly recommend that you look into Code the Dream.
You'll be surprised what you can achieve if you take the first step.